So here's where I am at with this mandolin. I've decided to take off all the pickup and all the electronics. So I got that out, and I only got halfway with the top removal, figuring that I would just need it for access to get to those cracks, because I couldn't figure out a way to clamp it successfully. I got the tops all repaired. There's glue in there. I just have to clean it out and get it all tightened up. But the issue I'm having now is the bracing for the top is all loose. This one's not so bad, but these over here are completely, I don't know if you can see it. You can see those braces there, completely separated from the top right here. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to glue that successfully in the state it's in. So I'm going to carry on with the top removal. I've got it in a little jig here, not a jig, but just got it set up here. And I'm going to turn on the heat lamp. I'm going to go ahead and get the fingerboard loosened from the top and then start working our way around and try to get this top off. The plot thickens. I'll be back. I don't know what's smoking. I think it's all the finger gunk on that fingerboard. I know it's hot. So I am going to drop back and punt on this top removal process. I'm kind of realizing that these braces, being so close to this sound hole, it shouldn't be that difficult to get a clamp on this. There's one, two right here, then a third one right here. This one I can squeeze with my finger and hold. So I'm just going to work the glue out from in between the brace and the top, clean that out best I can, put some glue in there and just kind of get some clamps going, and then put this mofo back together, because I don't know, I got this all off, but I don't want to mess up the binding where it meets here, and I think it's going to be a nightmare trying to release the top from this neck brace on the inside. You can't see it, but it's got a big block in here, and I'm sure this is glued to it. And unless I remove the whole fingerboard, it's going to be a nightmare. And just for these braces, it's not worth it. So dropping back and punting is what I'm going to do. I'm going to kind of scab this back together best I can. I want to get it so it plays. That's my goal here. I think I can do it. Still think I can do it. Okay. I'm going to get it all braced up and glued. I'll be right back. So the first thing I want to do is I have this little palette knife with some double-faced, or not double-faced, but sticky sandpaper on it, and I'm just going to work it in between the brace and the top. If I can get, it's only loose like the last 3/4 of an inch. So if I can get about a 1/2 inch of it cleaned up, I should be able to get some glue in there and it'll hold. And then the same goes for these braces in here. These go in a little, the looseness goes in a little bit deeper on these, but if I can get the last inch or up to where it's starting to give me some resistance there, get enough glue in there. I have to put a whole lot. Just a little bit. I'm going to use fish glue so it will adhere to any hide glue that is in there. Alright, let me get some glue in there and get some clamps on this. And let that dry, and then I should be able to put the top back on after that. I don't know what plan we're on here. We passed plan B, plan C. Maybe I'm on plan E or F right now, but I'll be back after I get this all clamped up. Show you what that looks like.